Gary, come on.
We went to his installation that Saturday, so he got all those goodies. But he also gets is it a year or a lifetime membership to a science, right?
Oh, make it lifetime.
Lifetime?
I thought it was lifetime, you know?
But you're always welcome to the science.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, Leslie, sir. And we got a wonderful basket. And thank you so much for being at our presentation. It was a rainy night, so I appreciate you getting out there in the rain and braving the weather. It was really great. And I have for you this gift basket.
Ooh, it's heavy.
It is heavy.
Yeah, might have some liquor in there, maybe.
It's just rocks.
Nah,
No,
no liquor. But thank you so much, and we wish you incredibly well in your year. It's great having you as our counterpart here and taking care of all of San Francisco and the peninsula and down south. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Gary.
We'll pencil it.
All right.
Lifetime.
All right. Thank you. Thank you both.
Gary.